1 apple, 2 carrots, 3 beetroots, and 400 grams of water may seem like a very simple recipe, but this natural combination can provide an incredible range of health benefits for your body. When these ingredients are blended together, they create a nutrient-rich drink filled with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural compounds that support your overall health and wellness. This drink is not only refreshing, but it can also become a powerful daily habit for improving your energy, digestion, blood circulation, immunity, and even mental focus. Let's start with the apple. Apples are one of the healthiest fruits you can eat because they are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. The natural fiber found in apples helps improve digestion and supports gut health by helping your body process food more efficiently. Apples also contain antioxidants that help fight harmful free radicals inside the body. Free radicals can damage cells over time and contribute to aging and various health problems. By consuming apples regularly, you help protect your body naturally while also supporting heart health. Apples may also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and provide steady natural energy without causing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots are extremely rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and protecting vision, especially in low-light conditions. Carrots are also known for supporting skin health, helping the skin look brighter, smoother, and healthier over time. In addition, carrots contain antioxidants and important nutrients that support the immune system, helping the body defend itself against illnesses and infections. Carrots are also beneficial for digestion because they contain dietary fiber that supports healthy bowel movements and gut function. Many people also include carrots in their diet because they help support healthy weight management while still providing important nutrients the body needs every day. Beetroot is another powerful ingredient in this drink. Beetroot is famous for its ability to improve blood circulation and support heart health. It contains natural nitrates that help relax blood vessels and improve the flow of oxygen throughout the body. This can help increase energy levels and improve physical performance. That is one reason many athletes and active people consume beetroot juice before workouts or physical activity. Better circulation means your muscles and organs receive oxygen more efficiently, helping reduce fatigue and improve stamina. Water may sound simple, but it is one of the most important parts of this drink. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body depends on proper hydration to function correctly. The antioxidants help protect your cells, the vitamins and minerals nourish your immune system, the fiber supports digestion, and the natural compounds in beetroot help improve circulation and energy levels. Drinking this juice regularly may help you feel more refreshed, active, and focused during the day.